These are incandescent lights on a light bar from the 50s that they used to use on movie cameras. Actually from when I was a baby, and my mom gave it to me. So I connected it to this tripod which holds the lights. I mean, how many products can people use for like decades and they still work? It's just amazing. So this is the incandescent part of the light array. Actually, I'm going to come around and we will fire up. The red lights are infrared, near infrared, that you can get from any hardware store or even like Walmart. So I flip that switch, I get the infrared. I flip the other one and I get the infrared with ultraviolet component lights. These are long wave UV radiation, which the body has adapted to and helps with the anti-aging process. Here we have an LED array of lights, and it's all fan cooled. Each one has its own lens, and there's two sets of lights in here. So if we look at this, there is near infrared and then red, just red light. You won't see the near infrared, so I'll just turn on the red light. And here you can see the light pattern as it projects onto the bed. And you might wonder what that little wand is there. This is called a scalar wand. The scalar wand is a very peculiar device. You actually hold it and spin it over a part of your body that you want to regenerate. Now, since I'm extremely sensitive to energy, I can feel it like a ray that goes through my skin. So I use that now in combination with the lights and the ASEA, which I believe ASEA is synergistic with the light therapy. So I'm combining three technologies here at once when I'm laying under this light array. So I start with my face down at this end, and then I reverse over and flip over. So essentially, being completely naked, I get every single part of my body affected by the light. But I use the wand for my face to regenerate the collagen and everything that we're working on here.